Hi, dear friends, how are you? 8 divided by 4 times 8 divided by 4. This question have division, multiplication, and abelian division. My question is, first of all, we have to solve this one, or this one, or this one. This problem has been solved by PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first of all, if division and multiplication are in same question, first of all solve the function which is at left, as division is at left, so we will solve first of all 8 divided by 4. So it will become 2 times 8 divided by 4. Now again problem is either we have to solve multiplication first or division first. Then PEMDAS again says that the function which is at left will be solved first. So 2 times 8 will be equal to 16 divided by 4. Now it is very simple. 16 divided by 4 will be equal to 4, which will be our answer. Thank you.